Welcome to episode 21. This is the Portfolio Manager coding session series. And today we will be working on one of the issues that I have in my notes or at my notes. That is how to get from the trading bots the trading engine and store it so that it can be used as formulas at the portfolio engine. Okay, so we're going to try to solve this problem now. So what is the situation? The situation is that let me load the workspace. Portfolio management demo. Okay, so the portfolio engine has these manage trading bots. Okay, and for each managed trading bot, it has managed trading bot engine. I don't know if this node is necessary, or probably I will hook it up from here. That a managed trading bot has a trading engine directly. Another thing I have to think about is if we're going to duplicate the trading engine into here, yeah. Okay, it's going to be very challenging to solve this problem because it has a lot of implications to really pull it out well. You also need to think about the visual debugging consequences. How are we going to visually debug the information here? So pulling this out is not going to be a simple task, but okay, so manage trading bot engine. Probably I will eliminate this guy and I will hook from here directly a trading engine. So manage trading bot. Okay, we'll use for this manage trading bots. A trading engine is an object, is a concept from algorithmic trading project. Okay, so here manage trading bots, manage trading bot, trading engine, trading engine, and the project of this is going to be this guy. Okay. Okay, so we will need to go here, portfolio engines. Okay, I'm going to delete this. We are going to save this again in here. Then we are going to reload. So it seems that this guy is going to disappear. Take the name and the icon of this stuff. The icons of this stuff. I'm talking about projects, portfolio management icons, portfolio, manage trading bot engine, trading bot engine. This is not needed anymore. Okay, So here we are. These guys are here. Okay, I need to remove this. And I'm not going to add an icon to or a menu to add in a portfolio engine, because this procedure should be to clone one and inject it there, because you want exactly the same trading engine that people is using. So if you use a modified trading engine, then you better clone it and attach it here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this menu item. Okay, so we have this. In fact, we will need two, but I need to allow the trading engine to attach to these kind of guys. Okay, so this is going to be going to save, and trading engine is a guy from not foundation but algorithmic trading. Hold on. Here's the problem now. That this is a head of hierarchy, okay? It's a head of a hierarchy, and I'm trying to attach it to a place that is not a head of a hierarchy. And so I will be introducing something very strange here. And probably that's the reason why I should keep the other node that I was deleting, okay? So all of these changes, I will revert them. I will revert the changes. Okay, so I will have those nodes, but also I will need, what I'm going to do is to connect these guys into this new node type that is not really new, but into this guy. So attaching rules, and who are these guys? Trading current. These are still trapped at the foundations project. We're talking about trading current. USD. Trading current. They will connect there and also here. Trading current, trading last. And exchange orders. This is incorrect. Connects to exchange orders. Okay. So with those changes done, we can refresh. Of course, now the workspace is going to be much heavier. Okay, so let's go again. So we are going to indeed have this guy here, and you're going to be here, and you're going to be here. So from this guy, we're going to disconnect you and attach you here. You see? Then I disconnect this and attach you here. Then I disconnect this and attach you here. Okay, it looks more or less good, except of the fact that they are all like at the same place. Okay, the reason for this is that I have not defined these as potential children of this guy. So money trading bot engine should have the same children as a trading engine. Okay, so I'm going to refresh. Okay, so this is the place. Again, I will move this guy here and remove this guy from here. And okay, I forgot to add this guy here. So if I remove this, I attach it there. And if I remove this, I attach it there. And if I remove this, I also attach it there. So this trading engine is empty now. So we have here the whole structure of a trading engine with everything a trading engine has. And we just need to put them values inside, okay? We're going to do it with two bots, because if two bots works, then we can scale it up to manage more bots, right? All right, so we have our new version of the portfolio system, portfolio manager engine, portfolio engine, with all the information of up to two trading bots, right? So we will take a backup of this, update our version here. Of course, it's going to be much bigger file, because it's going to have huge more information in it. Okay, so now that we have the portfolio engine upgraded, the next thing to do is to think, how are we going to deal with this information? So let's go to the code. Here on this side, we have the different messages that we receive from the trading bot, okay? So what we are going to do is to assume that this guy So let me think a little bit if the checkout is the right moment. We know that each trading bot does a check-in and a checkout. Does a check-in, ask a lot of questions, and then it does a checkout. So when it does the checkout, it might send the trading engine structure that it has. I'm trying to imagine. Okay, so we are going to start modifying this code. But before that, let's place a commit here because we already solved one problem, that is the trading engine inside the portfolio. Okay. Okay, let's say that the checkout, hold on, checking candle. Okay, so trading engine. Okay, so we're going to store the trading engine that we receive at a map here. Trading bots, trading engine map, So I'm trying to understand what is going on here. So we have a run function that set up an interval to check trading bot status. So when they are all checked out, then it resolves and it continues execution. Okay, so this is what is going on. So every time it runs, creates a new map, initializing everything that previous map had. So in the case of the trading engine, I will need a map similar to the other one with a similar life cycle. So in the check-in, nothing happened. At the checkout, check it out. And we're also going to remember bots trading engine. Remember that the logic that we thought about the last session was that I don't want the formulas of the portfolio manager system to be accessing a trading engine until all the trading engines have been submitted. That means that we'll have access to the trading engine of the previous candle, because otherwise it will depend in the order in which the trading bots are checking in. So what we are doing here is that we are storing each trading engine received at this map. Okay, and before running before running we are going to put to move whatever this trading engine has into the portfolio engine data structure. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So I will create another function here that is going to be about that. The function is going to be called um, the function is going to be called mm, move no move trading engines to portfolio engine, because that is exactly what we're going to do. Okay, and then the question is how we are going to do this. Um, to answer this question, what I would like to know if there is already something doing, if there is an, if this has been done before somehow. I mean, it's an operation in which we are copying uh, we are copying a node structure into the trading engine. We were doing something similar when we were let me check the the trading bot, because my guess, but I'm not going to check it here because I have too many tabs open. So we'll do it here. Um, so algorithm trading. Okay, it's not this one, but somewhere we were using um, to visualize it. I will show you this trading engine. We have trading current, trading last. Okay, so at some point we are copying all this strategy we are copying into here. So I want to see how we are doing that, because it's similar to what we are doing. We are going to be receiving a branch already existing and putting it, injecting it somewhere with cloning or something like this. I will. So it's a type of cloning, but I want to know where are we doing this. So trading strategy, maintain, reset, open, close. So what does this maintain mean? Update counters, update ends, clone. There is one clone somewhere. Okay, clone values. Now that the strategy is closed, it is the right time to move this strategy from current to last at the trading engine data structure. So for that we do all those. Okay, so the engine module has the clone values function. So let's check that out. Trading engine, clone values. Origin node, destination node. Here, okay, so this is a recursive function to all the children of the origin node. So the destination node have the same children structure, which it does. Okay, so essentially it's copying the values of the origin node into the destination node. Then it gets the schema, and if it has a schema, then go through the children and navigate into itself, going through all the children, copying the values, the value property. Okay, so the portfolio. So this is the trading stuff. Okay, this is the trading stuff. Um, Portfolio management. Okay, because this is a copy of the other, it has initially exactly the same features. So if I receive, okay, so it is one line of code, to be honest, not that difficult. So this is how we did it before. So this means that okay, so we are going to need a loop like this to loop around all the managed sessions. Then we have, instead of the status, we will get a trading engine. trading engine. Okay. Then we will need this is going to be the trading engine. Then we will need this guy, which is called manage trading bot engine. So let manage trading bot engine is going to be equal to, and now I will need a reference to the trading engine, to the portfolio engine, so that I can get that node into the array, or using the array of these nodes. Okay, so how do I get the portfolio engine? Well, not that difficult. We can do something similar to this. Well, in fact, we already have it here. So we don't need even to do it. So this is going to be portfolio engine, manage trading bots, dot, this is the node manage trading bots, again manage trading bots, and let me be 100% sure that the array has a plural, because I've seen that not being well defined before. Yes, there is a problem with this because it's not. There should be an S here in order to follow all the standards. Okay, so my trading bots. Then we are going to get this index, and then we will have manage trading bot, and then manage trading bot engine. Okay, and that's how we end up with manage trading manage trading bot engine. And finally, we are going to clone the values from this guy into this guy. And just like that, we will have at the trading engine all the values of all the trading engines or the portfolio engine, all the values of all the trading engines at the last candle. Okay, so let me fix this to see if this is actually going to work or not. So we identify that this guy is having the problem that the array it has doesn't hold this well. So I will need to, just in case, I will save this. Replace this. And refresh this so that we can regenerate. In fact, probably it's better to remove this. Okay, so now we are going to reload. Okay, okay, so here we go. Oh, don't tell me oh my god. I forgot to save the workspace. Well, it is not a big deal because that means that I have all this again. But it is a little bit of a waste of time. Okay, so now this guy should have an array. What did I do? I didn't fix this. Well, today I'm not very concentrated, as you can see. Your manage trading bots. So we'll go to portfolio management, manage trading bots, and this will have an S here. And in manage trading bot, it will have an S here. This is a standard. That's why I'm doing it. I don't like fixing this stuff, but it's better if every time there is an array, it's plural. Okay, so that people know how to write it without needing to check out the schemas. That's the reason for this. So, okay, I will reload this again. Okay, here we go again. We have two managed trading bot engines. So here we're going to disconnect this one and attach it here. Disconnect this guy and attach it here, and disconnect this guy and attach it here. So this is going to be deleted, and we have the first guy ready. So we'll do this again, disconnecting this guy, attaching it here, this guy there, and you can be deleted. So all very good. Now we can replace the previous trading engine that we had. Okay, so that would be the fixing of this. Then we have our code that is more or less like this. Okay, so we are going to iterate through all these guys. So let me check something here. No, I was thinking about the cloning, and if they have, okay, no, forget about this. Okay, so I think this is going to work. It's pretty much clean and straightforward. Based on all the sessions references we have, we're going to complete to put to move the values that we receive into there in a similar way that we move it from the current to the last in at the trading bot stuff. So my guess is that this part is good. So this portfolio bot is run from the trading simulation, okay? And from the portfolio simulation. If we search for run, you will see that first we run this. Okay, we run this portfolio system, the money trading bots. First, we are going to run this new function. Okay. We're going to move trading engines to portfolio engine. And engine. Okay, so now it's executed. Before opening the window, this could be more explicit, like wait for man trading boss to ask their questions. But this is what we are doing, in fact. So what you're doing is move trading engine to portfolio engine, wait for managed trading bots to ask their questions. We wait for them, okay, until the last one asks their questions. Then, what else? Okay, so on this side, I think we are done. The next thing that we will need is to actually send the portfolio engine as a message, okay? Actually send the portfolio engine as a message. Okay, for that I will need to check out this code here. That is the one that runs at the this is the one that runs at the trading bot, inside the trading bot. Let's clarify. Also, this. Okay, so here is where we need to add the portfolio engine. Not the portfolio engine, trading engine. Okay, okay, so we're going to figure out how to get that there. What I wanted to check is that here at the checkout, um, to get this parameter from here, we will need that this checkout includes the message dot trading engine. Okay, that is created right here, message trading engine. Okay, so the trading engine, how do we get the trading engine? The way we used to do this is like this. So is this going to work? I don't know. Maybe. We will see. So is the candle exit executed once there are no more changes to the trading engine? I don't know. So let's check that out. That should be at the algorithmic trading. Probably will use this guy. Trading simulation. So there, it seems there is a function specialized for this. Okay, so here when this is called, okay, so we have, according to what I'm seeing, we have two places where we are checking out. One, if we have to break the loop, we do it here. Or if we don't have to break the loop, after we run the second cycle. Then we append the record. So this looks good to me. Okay. Maybe I can send the trading engine as a parameter. Since I'm sending the trading system, I can do this and this. System engine. System engine. Something like this. And then that would mean that here I will receive the trading engine. So I would need to do this, which is pretty much the same stuff, but I put it here. Everything is sent. So, well, I think that we cover all. If you think about it, I will commit this. I will commit it later. To recap, what we did was to first inject the structure of the trading engine into the portfolio engine in the best way that we could think of. Then we wrote the code of how we are going to send from the trading bot the information of the trading engine. We are going to reuse the checkout candle function for that, because somehow when you're checking out would means that you finish processing and you're not touching your trading engine anymore. So you send it to the portfolio bot, and the portfolio bot is storing everything into a map. Um, Hold on. There is a flaw there. There's a flaw there. And this is the problem now. We are the portfolio simulation. So we are here waiting, and all the trading engine information came here. The problem is that if we are running live, all the information is going to get lost because we don't have because we are going to make another cycle, another loop. Okay, so the place to store this into the trading engine is when everybody finish. Then we move the trading engines to the portfolio. Say we move this into this. So where was this? Okay. So trading simulation, portfolio simulation. Okay. So again, we open the window for asking questions. Each trading bot checks in, send the questions, then it checks out. When it checks out, the trading engine is sent to the portfolio bot. They are stored at a map in memory. When all the trading bots check out, then this is taken out of the map. Okay, it's taken out of the map and is moved into the values are cloned into the values of the nodes at the portfolio engine. The portfolio engine then is saved. The bot goes to sleep. It wakes up in a minute. It loads the engine and it's going to run the portfolio system, and it's going to open the window again. The bots are going to ask questions and are going to be answered evaluating formulas that can use the value at the portfolio engine, which are the values of the trading engine at the previous candle. Okay, that means that after they ask the question, they will send again their new version of the portfolio of the trading engine. It's going to be stored in a map so that no one is reading information like dirty information that depends on the order of execution. They are all reading the one from the previous candle. When everybody checks out, the window closes and all the values received are moved into the trading engine, portfolio engine, replacing the old values, and the process continues. It is saved on this, the bot go to sleep, it wakes up again, and when it wakes up, it has the new values that can be used at the portfolio formulas. Okay, so this is the full mechanism and how we already implemented here. Okay, the next session we're going to do will be about debugging this to actually see this working for real. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So this is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching and see you at the next one.